Looking for your first home, a safe investment, or a perfect family space dito sa Bulacan? Welcome to Seria Baliwag, the newest quality development by Ubialand. Known for their premium yet affordable homes. Strategically located sa Baliwag City. Malapit sa schools, malls, hospitals, at may easy access to NLEX and public transport. Perfect para sa mga OFW na gustong magkabahay sa isang developing city with high potential. Enjoy modern amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, at secured gated community. Ang bahay mo rito, hindi lang investment. It's a place where your family can finally settle and grow. Backed by Ubialand's solid reputation, fast turnover, yet high-quality houses, and hassle-free service. Para worry-free ang home ownership mo. Kaya, if you're an OFW, first-time home buyer, investor, or simply want a better space for your family, go for Seria Baliwag. Message us sa RRCT Realty to start your home buying journey.